Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to our empowering journey towards building unstoppable self-confidence. In this video, we're unraveling the secrets to boosting your self-esteem and embracing the confident version of yourself. Whether you're navigating social situations, professional endeavors, or personal growth, these 10 strategies will serve as your compass to a more self-assured you. Let's dive in. 1. Positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are powerful statements or phrases that individuals intentionally use to foster a positive mindset and reinforce optimistic beliefs about themselves and their lives. This practice involves choosing affirming words that resonate with personal goals, self-worth, and aspirations, then repeating them regularly with conviction. Start your day with words of encouragement. Repeating positive affirmations can reshape your mindset and lay the foundation for a confident day. 2. Embrace your uniqueness. Embrace your uniqueness is a powerful mantra encouraging individuals to appreciate and celebrate their distinctive qualities, characteristics, and perspectives. This sentiment encourages people to acknowledge and honor what makes them different from others, recognizing that diversity is a fundamental aspect of the human experience. Celebrate your individuality. Remember, what makes you unique is what makes you special. Embrace your quirks and showcase your authentic self. 3. Set achievable goals. Set achievable goals is a fundamental principle that empowers individuals to navigate their personal and professional journeys effectively. By establishing clear, realistic objectives, individuals can experience a sense of purpose, continual progress, and the satisfaction of reaching their aspirations. Break down larger goals into smaller, attainable steps. Achieving these milestones will provide a sense of accomplishment, fueling your confidence. 4. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is not merely a concept, it is a lifestyle that empowers individuals to thrive in an ever-changing world. By embracing curiosity, adaptability, and a commitment to ongoing self-improvement, continuous learners unlock the doors to a lifetime of knowledge and growth. Expand your knowledge and skills. Lifelong learning not only boosts your competence but also enhances your confidence in various aspects of life. 5. Body language mastery. Body language mastery is a skill set that goes beyond simple observation. It involves a deep understanding of human behavior, emotional intelligence, and the ability to communicate effectively through non-verbal means. By continuously refining these skills, individuals can navigate the complex landscape of human interaction with finesse and insight. Projecting confidence begins with body language. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and practice a firm handshake. Small adjustments can make a significant impact. 6. Dress for success. Dress for success is a strategic approach to clothing choices that goes beyond fashion trends. It involves understanding the professional context, adapting to various situations, and leveraging the psychological impact of attire to enhance one's career prospects. Wearing outfits that make you feel good can elevate your confidence. Choose clothing that aligns with your style and boosts your self-esteem. 7. Accept constructive criticism. The ability to accept constructive criticism is a valuable skill that propels personal and professional growth. By approaching feedback with openness, a focus on improvement, and a willingness to act, individuals can harness the transformative power of constructive criticism to achieve ongoing success and development. View feedback as an opportunity for growth. Embrace constructive criticism, learn from it, and let it propel you forward. 8. Face your fears. Face your fear is an invitation to embark on a courageous journey toward personal growth and self-discovery. By understanding, confronting, and overcoming fears, individuals pave the way for a more resilient, confident, and empowered existence. Challenge yourself by confronting fears head-on. Each small triumph over fear will contribute to an increased sense of self-assurance. 9. Prioritize self-care. Prioritize self-care is an invitation to embrace a lifestyle that acknowledges the importance of nurturing oneself. By understanding personal needs, setting boundaries, and incorporating regular self-care practices, individuals pave the way for a healthier, more balanced, and fulfilling life. Ensure your physical and mental well-being by practicing self-care. A well-nourished, rested, and balanced individual is more likely to radiate confidence. 10. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positivity is a call to proactively shape the spaces and relationships that influence our lives. By choosing positivity, individuals pave the way for a more uplifting, resilient, and fulfilling journey. Build a supportive network. Surrounding yourself with positive influences fosters an environment where confidence can flourish. As we conclude our comprehensive guide to mastering self-confidence, remember that building confidence is an ongoing journey. Each strategy discussed here serves as a tool in your confidence-building toolbox. By incorporating these insights into your life, you'll find yourself on a transformative path towards heightened self-esteem and a more empowered version of yourself. Stay committed to your journey, celebrate your progress, and embrace the confident and empowered individual that you are destined to become. Thank you for joining us on this empowering expedition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content.